Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today I will show you how to draw this lovely birthday cake. Grab some pens and papers and let's get started. First, we are going to be using a ruler and a black marker and start by drawing the first layer of our cake. Trace 4 lines forming an oblong shape. Just like this, a long one for the bottom and 2 shorter lines on the sides, going up. Close in the shape by drawing the top line. And now up to the top layer. Using your ruler, trace 2 shorter lines going up and complete the top shape of our cake by tracing a curved line. Just like this. Great! I really think it's time to add some icing to this cake. We will be drawing a giggly line going across the top layer, looking like icing is dripping from our cake. Just like this. Now repeat the same process for the bottom layer. It's looking yummy already. Great! Now it's time to add some decorations. You can choose whether to follow me or choose your own decorations, guys. You are free to use whatever you prefer. Using your ruler, you can draw a stick on top of the cake and draw any shape you like. I've decided to draw a heart shape. I'll draw another stick and leave it for later. We can add 2 candles at the center of the cake. Just like this, add some lines for the different colors. And now, to top of my stick, let's grab our colors. I will draw a lolly using red and yellow. Color in the candles. I will be using blue for the sticks, but you guys can choose any color you like. And now, free your imagination and decorate the icing of your cake. I think I'll go with sugar icing and add some color. But you guys can choose any icing you prefer. Chocolate, jam, cream, caramel. It is completely up to you. I'm adding some green. Some red. And some blue. Take your time and try to fill in the space as much as you can. For the layers, I have decided to go for a bright raspberry pink. This really looks like my dream birthday cake. How's yours coming along? You can now go over your details with a black marker, just like I'm doing. Let's add some more detail to the bottom layer. We don't want that to look plain and boring. I will repeat the same decoration, but yours can be different if you want. I will color in using the same 3 colors I've chosen for the top. And color in the rest of the layer with my raspberry pink. I love this. Make sure you take your time and don't rush. It's all about having fun. Well done! We can now finish topping it off with some sparkles that you can color in with your favorite colors. And that's it! We have now drawn our lovely birthday cake. Well done, everyone! And remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Amelia. Wow, this tree is fantastic. Amazing work. I love the choice of the colors and the shading that you did with the yellow there. Great work, Amelia. Well done. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!